This is my niece's newest bead bracelet that she's currently making and gifting to her friends and family. This one she made recently is pretty much one size fits all because it's made of a stretchy string. It's colorful and has different sized beads, and you can see the different designs on them. But the really special thing about this bracelet is that it dispenses stickers. Here, my niece will demonstrate how to change out the beads and refill the stickers. She's removing the blue bead connector, and once that's done, she can remove some of the smaller round beads until she reaches a little roll of stickers. And now, let's say she's ready to replace the roll again. She simply reinserts the string through the hole in the roll and then reinserts the rest of the small beads. She'll add the tag in, and then she'll clip the blue connector bead back on. I'll slow this part down for you so you can see exactly how easy it is to reassemble the bracelet. You just need to make sure the string is inserted properly, then attach the blue cap back on tightly. Double check to make sure everything is secure, and once that's done, the bracelet is ready to be worn. And when she wants to gift someone a sticker, she just takes the bracelet off, unrolls the roll of stickers from the bracelet, she tears off the sticker, and there you go. And the great thing is that the stickers are re-stickable, reusable, and never leave any marks or residue.